Hi there, Robert, inventor and creator of the car armor invention. Just putting the application today on a smaller mid-size car. This is going to be a Hyundai Accord, and just going to try to put the timing on for the application on for the hail protection system. Starting the stopwatch here. And again, once you get out of the package, it's just a unrolling opening up both flaps that protect your windshield and the sides of the car. Putting it on over the hood. One size fits all. 1/4-inch material, water resistant, shock impact resistant. Everything held on with suction cups mounted all through the inside of the car. Windshield, sides of the car, all in about 1 minute and 10 seconds. So basically it keeps, when storms come in fast, hailstorms come in, they destroy most cars through North Texas, and you need something fast, efficient, and effective. You can look us up at the website at the bottom, or more videos on YouTube coming.